Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to forward a like from a group on the Instagram app when you're using your PC, especially with the latest update. This feature makes it super easy to share reactions from your group chats with other friends or groups without any hassle. Let's dive right into the simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages and groups. Once you're inside, look at the left side of your screen where the menu is located. You'll see a messages icon there. It looks like a paper airplane. Click on that icon to open your direct messages. Now, find the group chat where the like message you want to forward is located. Click on that group to open the conversation. Scroll through the messages until you spot the like reaction you want to share. Once you find it, look closely at the message. You'll see 3 dots next to it, usually on the right side. Click on those 3 dots, and a small menu will pop up. From the options, select Forward. This will open a new window where you can choose who you want to send the like to. You can pick individual friends or even other groups from your contacts. After you've selected the recipients, simply click Send. And that's it. The like reaction from your group chat will be forwarded to the people you chose, making it easy to share your appreciation or highlight a message across different conversations. This new update on the Instagram app for PC really streamlines how you interact with your messages, giving you more control and flexibility. Whether you want to spread some positivity or just keep your friends in the loop, forwarding likes is now quick and straightforward. Give it a try next time you're chatting on Instagram, and enjoy sharing those little moments with ease. Thanks for watching.